Hi crafters, this is Cassie aka the Crafting Chef, bringing you another tutorial on behalf of Sub This and That, home of the monthly Sublimation box. For today's tutorial, I'm working from our November 2023 box titled Make This Your Year. See the description box down below for all the items included in this box. Today I'm going to sublimate this refrigerator board. It's MDF. It does come with a magnet, which I do not have right now, but I will have it, and I'll post a picture of it on the fridge when I receive the magnet in the mail. So this board measures 7 by 9, and this is MDF part of the board. So the first thing that we'll do is remove the clear film. And then I'm going to take it over to my heat press, and I'm going to press it at 385 degrees for roughly 10 seconds. I'm probably going to go 6. So anywhere between 6 to 10 seconds is fine. So I'm going to take alcohol mist. This is alcohol in a spray bottle. And I'm going to wipe this off. I normally do this before I pre-press it, but I forgot. So I'm just going to wipe this off. This is still warm, so I'm going to let this sit before I add my image, because with sublimation, the image begins to transfer based on the heat. So if this is warm, it's possible that my image will start the transfer process while I'm taping it down. So I usually let this sit for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, just to make sure that it's completely cool, and then I'll tape my image. So this is cool. I'm gonna bring in my image, which I do have a little conversion chart with measurements on it. This is a file from Silhouette. So I purchased this from the Silhouette store. And hold on one second, I'm going to change this camera angle. Okay, this camera angle, I know it's a little awkward for you all, but it allows me to easily tape down this design. Very hot, so be careful. I couldn't even remove the tape, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off, and I can reuse this tape because there is no ink transfer. Ooh, that's hot. How nice is this? I love this. I absolutely love this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.